Need a
keep it fairly clean. I looked at different sites. A few of them had some bad reviews. A few of them had carports I didn't like. Then I found Allen's Outlet Factory. We had fantastic reviews. The carports were in range of what I was looking for.
Like Charles, over 13,000 clients left a 5-star review for Allen's Factory Outlet. Their carport, it became the talk of the neighborhood. Make the smart choice. Get a 20x30 carport today for way less than most people pay. We can help you save thousands of dollars. Whenever you're ready, visit our website at allensfactoryoutlet.com to start customizing your carport. There's a link in the description. We'll see you there.